Hola, bienvenidos a este vídeo. Vamos a ver qué pasa con esta lluvia en España y otras partes de Europa. Por esta borrasca que está así en el mar, cerca de España y Portugal. Ya hay lluvia en Portugal y unas zonas de Galicia y hasta así en Cataluña, más nubes así, pero lluvia no tanto, más unas nubes, pero en otras zonas está más sol, así, es sol en el sur, sí, de Cataluña, y otras zonas en el sureste está más sol, pero mañana, día 28 es sábado, va a haber alguna tormenta sur de Portugal, y más tarde, mañana, como más al sur, así de España, Costa del Sol y otras zonas, puede haber lluvia más fuerte, sí, un sistema convectivo con lluvia más fuerte día 28 y día 1 aún muestra lluvia y nieve en los Pirineos, mañana 28 y sábado 1 y más lluvia en Portugal, así, y el sureste y un poco de nieve, unas montañas centro-norte de España. Y, y este modelo muestra más nieve en el centro-norte de España día 3 y más lluvia en Cataluña y nieve en los Pirineos día 3 quizás. Y día 4, sí, más lluvia en el sur, algunas zonas, y quizás aún día 5, más lluvia, sí, Sevilla, Murcia, Valencia, y quizás día 8, nota borrasca, con más lluvia en el sur y oeste, y día 9 muestra lluvia más fuertes, así en el sur, día 9, día 10 en el sureste, pero está bastante lejos esto. Miramos un otro modelo con esta lluvia mañana, sur de España, sí, y un poco de nieve, y Portugal también la lluvia, entonces día 1, más nieve, unas zonas centro de España, y esta lluvia, día 2, sí, un poco de nieve, los Pirineos, y lluvia en algunas zonas así, día 3, día 4 y quizás día 5 más lluvia, en algunas zonas día 6, día 7 así, y quizás día 9 más fuerte. Entonces continuaremos mirando y solo hasta el domingo ya muestra unas zonas justo así en el sur, así al sur de la Costa del Sol, pero más al sur, sí, casi 55 milímetros, unas zonas de 45, así, en el sureste y más en Portugal también bastante. Y esta mañana los modelos tenían más de 100 milímetros en estas zonas en las próximas 24 horas. Pero han bajado un poco, pero no, no descarta que haya alguna zona así en el sur con más de 100 milímetros. Entonces, precauciones, pero mirando semana que viene, como hasta el día 10, muestra muchísima lluvia en los próximos 10 días, así. Entonces, unas zonas de 150, 158, 205, y aún falta mucho tiempo, pero los modelos ya indican muchos frentes así con más lluvias en las próximas semanas. Y hay este modelo diferente que hasta el día 12 de marzo, más o menos, muestra como más de 100 milímetros, unas zonas del sureste, sur de Portugal, Mallorca y otras zonas. Entonces, vamos a monitorar bastante. Y hay este vale, los otros modelos de resolución más alta que este modelo hasta el domingo tiene como 70 milímetros y blanco es más de 100. Entonces, solo de las lluvias mañana y este fin de tiene más de 100 milímetros unas zonas del sur cerca de Marbella, Gibraltar y otras zonas. Entonces, precauciones, como el lunes que viene también tiene más en Cataluña, en los Pirineos y Madrid, poco más de lluvia. Entonces, precauciones. Y hay este otro modelo de resolución alta, pero no muestra más al sur. Entonces no nos vale este. Pero precaución con estas lluvias y alguna tormenta que haya. Y es esto. Y por ejemplo, en estas zonas más, las zonas más afectadas, como entre Marbella y Gibraltar, como estas zonas en el medio, sí. Entonces, precaución con alguna inundación que puede haber, si por acaso hay más de 100 milímetros en alguna zona. Entonces, precauciones. Y es esto, la nieve muestra, por ejemplo, es día 27 hoy, y hasta el día 4, este modelo tiene más nieve centro, norte de España, con unos 29 centímetros, de 16 en los Pirineos, más de 17, 14 centímetros y más zonas. Entonces, precauciones, esta nieve, y en Portugal como 1 centímetro y algo. Entonces, precauciones, los vientos, día 28 en Madeira, un poco más fuerte. Y en las Canarias nada tan fuerte, pero muestra unos vientos un poquitito más fuertes, como 52 kilómetros por hora, mañana por la tarde. Entonces, precauciones también con barcos pequeños y esto en las Canarias. Y, eh, y en la península muestra como en Málaga unas zonas un poquitito más fuerte, como 57 kilómetros por hora, 51, y en la costa norte así también. Y así más semana que viene, que ya este fin de muestra en Galicia un poco más fuerte, en la costa, día 2 así, día 4, quizás a partir del día 4, unos vientos más fuertes en el Mediterráneo, unos 68 kilómetros por hora, pero este modelo tiene los más fuertes días 5 así de marzo en el sur, centro, sur así, y hasta en otras zonas un poco más, día 5, día 6, 7, ya menos, pero quizás el día 9, más si hay este otro sistema. Es que cambia mucho el pronóstico y no se puede saber exactamente, pero las temperaturas están más frías, unas zonas centro de España, unos 0 grados, 11, 12, 14 en la costa mediterránea, unos 10, 7 así en el norte, 13, 14 en Portugal, 11, y en los Pirineos -2, -4, -1, día 27, y mañana por la mañana, día 28, más zonas de -1, 0 grados, -2, casi -10 en los Pirineos, -11, otras zonas 1, 5 grados, y sube un poco por la tarde, 14, 15, así, 18, y ya la próxima noche, día 1, nos -3 en el norte, unos -4, nos -2, otras zonas de -1, día 1, ya sube un poco, por la tarde unos 17 en Sevilla, pero en el norte más frío, sí. Y entonces la noche o mañana del día 2, unos -4 en las zonas centro de España, 4 en Madrid, otras zonas de -4, extremo norte de Portugal, unos 0, unos 11 en Lisboa, y más zonas de los Pirineos de -14, unos -13, -6, -2, 6 en Cataluña, 8, 7, 2, entonces precauciones. Y ya día 2 por la tarde sube un poco en el sur y en la costa mediterránea, pero se queda frío estas zonas de dentro así durante el día. Y ya la noche del día 3, la mañana así, muestra unos -4 en el norte, unos -4, -1 en Portugal, en los Pirineos casi -7, -6, unos 10, 11 en Murcia, Valencia, Barcelona, en Palma, otras zonas de 0. Día 3, así, día 5 ya menos frío, pero aún se queda el frío en algunas zonas. Y así continúa quizás día 12, un poco más de frío. Y esto, entonces, precauciones con esta lluvia, todo. Y es esto. Y ahora miramos para en Europa toda. Hello. So let's see here in Europe what's happening. So as I said there in Spanish about the front in Spain and everything, in Portugal, so be aware there. But in other parts of Europe still have some snow in the Alps, even some freezing rain in some small spots in Germany, Switzerland and Italy. So today's Thursday the 27th, probably some rain lingering around Greece as well, and Slovakia, a little bit mixed precipitation. So Thursday into Friday in Poland, Belarus, southern Lithuania, the possibility of some light snow, and Germany too, into the outskirts of Czechia. So be aware. Friday into Saturday, some more snow in the Alps, some rain in Italy as well, and like Romania, spots the Balkans. So shows like this whole mountain area from Slovakia to central Romania, some snow possible on the 2nd in Ukraine as well, and to Russia. So Sunday, Monday, still the rain in Spain and southernmost France, as well as the snow on the French Pyrenees and Andorra. So be aware, Turkey as well. Then Monday, and then around the start of next week, most of Central Europe is calm except for the northeast and for Spain, Portugal. So shows Wednesday the 5th, probably some rain Poland, Germany. And Wednesday, Thursday shows some snow and ice around the mountains of Romania, Ukraine, some mixed precipitations. So Thursday still shows maybe some rain in France or the UK on the 7th, but very light. And shows the possibility of some light snow in northern UK at the 8th. Then this goes, some lingering rain in the Mediterranean, Albania, Croatia, Bosnia, the 9th, and those systems still continue in Spain. So the 9th, the 10th still shows there. We'll probably make a video for Northern Africa too, because if not, this video might be too long, because there's plenty of stuff going on there. So Monday, Tuesday shows this March 11th, some mixed precipitation in Latvia, Belarus, Estonia, and Tuesday, Wednesday, still in Ukraine and Russia, spots of southern Finland and Estonia. And this year, like March 13th, like 13 days out. So this forecast changes every single day. and as we go further out in time, it becomes less reliable. So let's focus on the short range here. There's the GFS in Greece with some rain. In Italy, spots of Slovakia, Hungary as well, some snow in the Alps, and Germany, Latvia, Estonia. Soon, we'll talk about Northern Europe soon. So, shows Thursday into Friday, tomorrow, some lingering snow in Germany, the GFS has. Western Ukraine, spots in southwestern Belarus, and maybe Latvia, Russia, in Germany, and then still some rain in Greece and Turkey, into Cyprus, Friday. Shows still some snow lingering Central and Eastern Europe, so it shows this snow emerging from Ukraine and going to Belarus and Russia, some like more snow, and then still more snow lingering around Czechia, Germany, spots of Austria, and all the way to the Balkans. So Saturday, Sunday, the GFS still has some snow, spots of Eastern Europe. Sunday there into Monday, Bulgaria, Romania, spots of the southeast as well. Monday to Tuesday shows potentially more clippers there. Latvia, Estonia, Lithuania, more snow in Russia too. So this goes, and like the GFS has this front in the northern UK as well, March 5th, and then this goes and still has stuff in East Asia, more snow. We'll talk about Asia in the coming days, and shows here like the GFS is a semi-low pressure in the Mediterranean, March 7th, but it dissipates quickly. But you never know because this forecast changes so much. But be aware, those areas in the north now shows like sun lingering snow in Iceland, Norway, Sweden, and northwestern Russia. This goes, and some mixes of freezing rain in that snow as well in Finland. So beware Friday. More snow in Norway and Sweden, those mountains, and central Norway too. And this year might be useful. Shows the precipitation type, some snow, wet snow Friday, and then like Friday night to Saturday, is spotted through of freezing rain. And Sweden and even Norway there Friday night. Then this goes, more snow Sweden and Finland Saturday afternoon, just Saturday evening in Iceland as well, Norway. So Sunday still shows some freezing rain in northwestern Russia and Finland, possibly because this always changes, and more snow in Norway and Sweden, and some spots of snow and ice and rain in Iceland. So Sunday, Monday, still some ice possible in spots of Sweden and Finland, and some snow, Norway and Sweden, those areas. So Monday still shows that snow into Russia, northern Norway, central Norway, and even southern Norway and Sweden. But mainly southwestern Norway, not much in southeastern parts. So Monday still some snow in Norway, Finland, and then it gets this front. Wednesday some rain and snow southern Norway, then this goes, maybe some snow and ice in Sweden, March 5th, and more snow the 6th, Sweden, Norway, and Finland, and then into Russia. And after March 8th, the European still has more systems, Norway, some more snow, Finland, and Sweden, and Russia, the rest is too far. So be aware, those areas, and for like, rain accumulation 5 days, like until March 4th, shows that rain in Spain, in those areas, in Madeira, the Canary Islands, and some showers in the Azores, but here in the rest of Europe shows in Italy, especially Corsica, showing some 69 millimeters, 5 days, some spots central Italy, some rain as well, Montenegro, and Bosnia, Croatia, some 22 millimeters, some in Greece, 19, 39, and yeah, some more rain there, and this like in Poland, Belarus, Russia is mostly snow, northern UK shows some. This is mainly snow in Norway, but as you saw the precipitation type, there will be a mix of rain and snow. there, and Iceland shows some higher mountains in Iceland, rain and snow as well. So beware southeastern Greenland as well. Spots there, like 244 millimeters. Most of that is snow, but there might be a little bit of rain as well. And yeah, be aware for the snow the European has in Spain, in Andorra and France there, in the Pyrenees, and does have in the Alps, like northern Italy, 17-18 centimeters. Into Switzerland, spots in France, but very little in France, more in Italy, and some spots northwestern Italy too. Even central Corsica and Sardinia, like 1 centimeter, but sometimes the European shows these are small amounts and they don't happen, but just keep watching. Shows in Montenegro some 10 centimeters, central Bosnia some snow too, and in Croatia, spots in southwestern Bulgaria, like 0.9 in Greece, some spots there, and more in Turkey, central northern Turkey, especially those mountains from Slovakia to Romania, spots in Romania some 12, 14 centimeters, western Ukraine. Be careful with journey, just like avalanche danger in all those mountain ranges. Some 12 centimeters, 5 centimeters in Romania. So be aware. Show some in southern Ukraine and Moldova, and some in Belarus too, 7-6 centimeters, Lithuania, some in Poland, especially like in western Russia, more snow there. Germany, spots to 4 centimeters to 5.9, and locally higher in a spot or two. Shows now in Norway and Sweden, those higher accumulations in Norway. 5 days show like 133 centimeters, some mountains and spots western Norway. Be careful, slippery roads and like some icy conditions. Be aware. And shows even snow in the ocean, and some in Sweden, some 87, 73 centimeters. Spots in central Norway, more than 100 as well. Central northern Sweden, some general lighter snow. Finland 15 centimeters, 9 centimeters. Northernmost Norway into northwestern Russia. So be aware. And Iceland, as I showed you, those higher mountains, it's mainly snow. Some 141, some 144 centimeters, 144, 127, 15 Reykjavik, more spots there. And in Greenland, of course, like 251 plus. I see some towns there, it shows like more than 50, 70 centimeters, but the worst is further inland. So beware, spots on the west coast as well, even some towns on the southern coast, some snow. And yeah, the GFS now has like a similar situation. The GFS has less in Spain, but does have some too. It has in Italy, central Italy, spots in the Alps, and especially Croatia and Bosnia, like 15 centimeters plus. The GFS in Slovakia shows some 16 or more. Romania, Bulgaria, some in Turkey, but less than the European. And northwestern Russia, especially some Turkey, even more Belarus, some in Estonia, Latvia, Lithuania, northern UK, like 1.1 centimeters, and in Norway, central Norway, 150 by the GFS, 121, southwestern Norway 2, and more spots in Finland, like I showed you, 16 centimeters, some 81, 79, and a lot in Iceland there. So be aware and stay safe. There's the icon too, has more concentrated in the mountains, and the southern Balkans in Greece, Romania, Moldova, Ukraine, spots in Bosnia, Montenegro, Albania, central Turkey more. Does have Norway, Sweden, and Iceland, and some in Spain there, and France. So be aware. And yeah, there's wind now. It is stronger in those Atlantic systems in Greenland. So in spots in southern Greenland, like some 115, 117 in some towns. Friday shows more in these other towns here, it's like 139 km/h, 137, 80, 134. So stay safe there. Same thing for Iceland, So 119, 79 Reykjavik, and 69. And this just the wind in a particular time of the day. It will change throughout the day, of course. So be aware, there might be stronger times. But it's still like 6 a.m. Friday and like 5 a.m. in Greenland. So this might be very early in the morning. But in the afternoon, still shows stronger winds in Greenland and Western Iceland. So Friday, Saturday shows maybe some more in Iceland Saturday, and still central southern Greenland. Sunday shows more on the coast of Greenland, so 92 spots to like in the middle there shows like 167 in those glaciers, but in the towns like some 92, 98 Sunday. So this goes into Monday in Iceland more. So like 120, not at 231, those interior spots, close to 105 in Reykjavik, more spots Monday, and those systems will just keep coming because this is the time of year for this, like so they'll just keep coming. Wednesday the 5th, probably more in Iceland, and then some later too. So be aware those areas. Central southern Europe shows occasional wind in the Mediterranean and near Spain there, and even near France and some spots in Italy. Sunday, Monday shows in Greece, maybe Tuesday slightly higher gusts, but nothing crazy, and more widespread in the Western Mediterranean Thursday. Thursday the 6th, central to eastern Mediterranean, some more wind, the high parts of Cyprus. I don't know. I don't think there are any high places there, but in those valleys or hills, be aware some higher gusts. So Friday, Saturday, Central Mediterranean, and once again in Spain, Sunday, and some other spots. So be aware. There's like sanctuaries now. Uh, these models change all the time, and the exact wind gusts in this exact spot is hard to predict. But I'll show you a general overview that would be important, because some other models like the GFS has different wind gusts, but I generally trust the Europeans. Let's see. There's in France shows some breezier conditions Saturday because the system near Spain. The GFS much less, just near the coast there. And then there shows Saturday maybe breezier in the Baltics, spots of Estonia down to Poland, and we'll talk about Norway, Sweden soon. Sunday, Monday shows maybe Central Europe shows quieter, but later to Tuesday, late Monday, slightly stronger Lithuania, Latvia, Belarus, Poland. The GFS is stronger and further south into Poland, western, eastern Denmark, more spots there. So it's slightly different, but the models are in some agreement. But this goes probably starting Tuesday in the UK there, northern UK, Tuesday, especially Tuesday night, northern Scotland, Northern Ireland, more spots there. Tuesday, this goes still slightly gustier in the extreme north on Wednesday, and the Faroe Islands and those areas. Thursday, maybe windier Western Island, Friday, and northern UK too. So be aware now, Norway and Sweden shows into Fridays slightly gustier in a spot or two, especially if there are mountains. He can be slightly higher in the peaks or something that might be hard for the model to predict. But that's shown near the coast there. Be aware. And the Norway Weather Service usually has a lot of marine warnings. You can check the link in the description as well as like slippery road warnings, snowfall warnings. They're very useful if you check the link there. And then into Saturday shows stronger in the ocean just by the coast there. And then Saturday, Sunday, this kind of enters Norway and Sweden, stronger in southern Norway, close to 100, some mountains near Sweden too. Sunday, still strong in western Norway, spots there. Monday, near Lithuania, spots in Norway there. And so Monday, Tuesday, the in the Baltics there, like I showed you, Sweden, spots on Norway still, northern Denmark, slightly breezier, UK as well. Then Wednesday, probably a bigger system to Central Norway, Sweden, so 93 to almost 100 km per gas. Norway, there's the GFS, like, has absolutely nothing there, just stuff further south. The European has this, so you you can just trust one model because the scenario might change. But I'll show you here some different opinions from the model. So there's Finland, like Thursday the 6th, Norway and Sweden slightly higher. Thursday into Friday, this goes more systems in the ocean there, and maybe the 9th, northern UK, more spots there. So be aware, there's the icon here, the stuff in Greenland and Iceland, and the stuff in Spain, the Mediterranean. Maybe Saturday slightly higher near the northern UK, but not quite there. Then this goes near the coast in Norway. Saturday, Sunday it enters Norway and Sweden. The icon is known to exaggerate on the coasts a little bit, but it can be very accurate sometimes. So 180 has spots in Sweden, some more there, especially later Monday to like northern Sweden, 118, and so 98. And the icon still has crazy stuff, southern Norway and the coast there. The fourth, the fifth, the icon is like stronger winds in the Baltics and northern Denmark, UK, southern Norway. The fifth, this goes and like, yeah, so be aware those areas. And the temperatures are still cold in many areas, not as cold as before, but still cold. So there's the icon, mainly in Eastern Europe, colder in the mountain ranges in the Alps and Northern Europe. Let's just see a quick outlook here for like those above and below average temperatures. So there's the 0 CGFS shows slightly below average in Western Europe, sometimes like on the 6 above average. Central Europe and does have some below average in the West later too. Does have Southeastern Europe some above average later, and more stuff in the Atlantic soon. There's the European too, shows like some generally below average in the West, some above sometimes in the North, even below average the Mediterranean sometimes. So this goes and yeah, shows maybe some below average still on the Thames, southern Spain, and the European has into Russia and Finland some below average in Spain and Portugal March 14th. But we'll keep watching. There's like here for Europe and to mirror temperature here. So this the European shows the coldest in Russia, spots in the Alps as well, very cold, some chilly mornings in the UK, most of Spain, and France, especially like France and Germany, some very chilly mornings. Then this goes and like, yeah, so let's see here, shows in the Alps, some days like some -8, some -4, some active temperatures for central France, spots in Germany, and Czechia, some -1, in the UK, some 2 degrees in London, all the spots to -1, Slovakia, Czechia, Poland, especially in Ukraine and Russia, some colder there, Norway, Sweden, some -12, locally colder in the mountains, some -7, in Iceland as well, some -10. So be aware. Now there's the European, shows slightly colder in France and Belgium, Luxembourg, and the UK. This goes shows like on Sunday morning a big area Central Europe, some cold temperatures, and including like the UK, Spain, and Andorra. More spots in the Alps, especially. There's some areas like some -17, some -16, and the Balkans too, slightly colder. On the coast, it's more moderate, generally from like 8 to 12 degrees on the coast. In the Mediterranean, some 13, some spots. Another spots to like 5, 2 degrees near the Alps. So Sunday, Monday, so Monday morning, yeah, still shows cold. Most of Central Europe, spots in Eastern Europe too, And then in the afternoon does warm up 6 degrees, 12 degrees. In the mountains does warm up some. Spain to 15 degrees. So Monday, Tuesday morning is still like most of Central to Eastern Europe, those cold temperatures. There's the GFS. The GFS has less area of negative temperatures, has like above negative in Central Northern Europe, not Northern, like Central Europe. It has more negative in the Alps and those areas, but has some positive temperatures for North. And the European has a bigger area of negative temperatures. It does have some positive in the Balkans, not Balkans, in the Baltics on Tuesday. In the afternoon, it warms up more, so to 11 degrees in Poland, France to 18 degrees, probably because this always changes, and it does warm up, especially in the Alps. But the next night, Wednesday, still cold. Romania, Czechia, so Wednesday, Thursday, March 7th, March 8th, a little bit less cold in Central Europe, but still cold in some prime spots in the Alps and into northeastern Europe into mid-March. So be aware those areas, and I know the cold here is not as extreme as like in North America and Asia, but always be careful with wind chills as well. It might feel colder than it actually is, especially in the far north there and more areas. So here's the European, shows in Norway, says a minus 13, Sweden, very cold throughout Finland. I say very cold, but like generally the whole country negative temperatures during the night and morning. The afternoon clears a little bit in the south, but still cold. And Saturday, Sunday, still cold. Many areas there, except for southernmost Sweden and Norway. And Sunday afternoon does get to like 8 degrees southern Sweden. Then Sunday into Monday, still cold. No crazy extremes, but still pretty chilly. It's minus 15, some minus 13, and locally lower a day or two in a few spots. Finland minus 15. Next Wednesday, the 5th, some minus 1 spots in Norway, Sweden. So Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, still cold on March 8th, Norway, into Finland there in Sweden, except the far south, then Saturday, Sunday. So yeah, be aware those areas and like stay safe. Let's see if there's something else. Always this time of year, be careful with visibility from fog as well. Many areas, Central Europe, even like up north there, some fog a day or two, and like in southeastern Europe a few days, but shows more next week into France, UK, some more for Central Europe and other spots. So beware of fog as well. There's dust, the dust mainly in Africa, but also slightly spotted to the Mediterranean, but nothing crazy. Maybe a little bit to southern Mediterranean, Spain, Saturday in Italy, maybe some dust, but nothing that crazy. But beware. So stay safe.